Nepal, a land of staggering beauty and unparalleled natural wonders, offers adventures a plethora of experiences. Among these, the Poon Hill Trek stands out as a captivating journey that winds through lush rhododendron forests, culminating in awe-inspiring vistas of the mighty Himalayas. Nestled within the Annapurna Conservation Area, the Poon Hill Trek is a moderate trekking route renowned for its accessibility and breathtaking scenery. The journey typically begins in the picturesque town of Pokhara, where trekkers gather before embarking on their adventure. From there, the trail meanders through verdant forests, quaint villages, and cascading waterfalls, providing glimpses into the rich cultural tapestry of the region. The adventure begins in the quaint village of Breathtaking, Nepal. The trek is not only a feast for the senses but also a journey of self-discovery, as trekkers navigate the rough terrain and conquer challenging ascents. They are tested both physically and mentally, yet with each step forward, they are rewarded with ever-changing panoramas of snow-capped peaks, deep valleys, and crystal-clear streams, serving as a reminder of the raw, unbridled power of nature.
ABC पुगिरहनु भयो
As trekkers ascend through the dense rhododendron forest, they are involved in a riot of colors, as these vibrant blooms paint the landscape in hues of red, pink, and white. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of these flowers, creating an ethereal atmosphere that heightens the senses and invigorates the soul. As we ascend higher into the mountains, the landscape transforms before our eyes. The rhododendron forests give way to towering pine trees, their branches reaching towards the sky. The trail becomes steeper and you can feel the burn in your muscles. But the breathtaking vistas that unfold before us are more than worth the effort. Every turn reveals a new perspective, a new layer of beauty to marvel at. The allure of the Poon Hill Trek extends far beyond its scenic vistas. Along the way, trekkers have the opportunity to immerse themselves in the rich cultural heritage of the region, as they interact with local villagers and learn about their way of life, from sharing meals with hospitable hosts to participating in traditional ceremonies. Each encounter offers a glimpse into the warmth and resilience of the Nepalese people. These dogs protect the herds. Even snow leopards and wolves do not dare to challenge these Himalayan dogs. To reach Poon Hill, if you enjoy trekking, you can trek from Ghorepani to Nayapul in one day and then reach Ghorepani Poon Hill the next day. If you can't trek long distances, you can reserve a jeep to Nayapul and reach Ghorepani Poon Hill in 2.5 hours. This trek is well equipped with facilities. Every 30 minutes, you will find hotels and lodges. $150 to $200 per person is sufficient for a 2 to 3 day trek. We reach Ghorepani, our final stop before the ascent to Poon Hill. The anticipation is palpable as we settle into our accommodation for the night. Tomorrow, we will rest before dawn and make the trek to the summit eager to witness the sunrise over the Himalayas. One of the highlights of the Poon Hill trek is the ascent to its namesake viewpoint. As dawn breaks over the horizon, trekkers make the final push to the summit. I got to witness the spectacle of the sunrise illuminating the Himalayan peaks. As the first rays of the light paint the mountains in hues of the gold and crimson, a profound sense of awe washes over all who behold the majestic sight. Among the towering giant of the Annapurna and Dhaulagiri ranges, the world below seems to fade away, leaving only the timeless beauty of the Himalayas.